Lessons in Life and Love podcast, Resiliency and Self Esteem, how life and success as adults is directly related to the ability to handle resiliency as teens. We'll go into how childhood trauma impacts us as adults and how important it is to help teens now to build resiliency that leads to successful adults in life, love, and business. Adults who miss these important skills can get them now through my Life and Love coaching. There's proof that spiritual importance helps in difficult life situations, and quality time with parents is imperative to building these skills. High-risk behaviors lead to impulsivity in adults, and more. If you're a parent, you must hear this podcast. And if you're an adult suffering from life and love situations due to past childhood trauma, you're going to understand why. All this and more on Lessons in Life and Love.